We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner in a Brother MFC L5850dw. So this printer takes a TN820, which is going to be your low yield, or a TN850, which is going to be your high yield. So how you change your toner, it's pretty simple. Press this button right here. It'll open your front hatch. Pull your drum and your toner out. Then you want to press this blue button here. It'll release the toner from the drum, so set the toner to the side so you don't put it in there again. And then get your new toner, insert it in the drum. Once you hear it click, you know that it's together. Put it back in the printer. Shut your front hatch and you should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.